بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلي على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. Welcome everyone to Elegant Arabic. Last time we have seen that Diya's mom, being the generous mom that she is, upon noticing his talent and his rich imagination, she strove to polish his talent with support and guidance. What happens next is a trigger point in Diya's story. I want to start from the English here. In one of the evenings, Diya drew a painting of nature. How would you say that in Arabic? Let's start with the context here. In one of the evenings. What is an evening in Arabic? An evening is أمسية. أمسية واحدة. أمسيات كثيرة. A lot of أمسيات. So, one of the أمسيات إحدى الأمسيات. Now, what preposition would you use to describe this temporal context? في إحدى الأمسيات. Perfect. Diya drew a painting for nature. How do you express that? In Arabic, most of the time you start with the verb itself. So the action verb here is drawing. What's drawing in Arabic? رسم. So رسم. What's the subject? Diya. رسم ضياء. A painting of the nature. Painting is لوحة. رسم ضياء لوحة. A painting of nature. Of is a preposition. So that translates to لي لوحة للطبيعة. This brings us to the sentence of this episode. وفي إحدى الأمسيات رسم ضياء لوحة للطبيعة. In this episode, we followed a different approach. We explored the new event and then we tried to build the Arabic description of it. It's a reversed approach. So far, we have built some vocabulary. We have explored some prepositions. It's not a bad idea to start producing output, meaning we start with the concept and we find out what the Arabic expression of it is. This is it for this episode. We will see you in the next one. Insha'Allah ta'ala. Dumtum salimin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.